this place is hitting on me, but we're going to see how it's going to turn out. I'm going to unveil the hair. I really hope it came out well. Fingers crossed. Hola, hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time you're seeing my face, you're welcome. If this is not your first time, thank you for returning. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let's get into the video. So today's video is going to be a hair and makeup get ready with me type of thing. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing my hair first. I'm doing this slick hair look. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere of what I'm trying to achieve, so I hope it comes out right. But yeah, so first thing I'm going to start by adding shea butter to my hair. So let's add a generous amount of shea butter. Yeah, hair prepped and ready. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to pack a generous amount of gel, styling gel. I'm using this random black gel. This is what we have at home. I'm just going to start by packing a generous amount all over my hair. So going the front to the front and the back, like you're going to need a lot of gel just so this comes out right though. I'm brushing my hair. So I want a side part, so I'm going to part my hair by the side. Like I want like a C part type of thing. So I'm just going to try to part my hair. It doesn't have to be very neat, just do the best you can. After parting my hair, I'm starting with this small side, so I'm just combing it out. Where is my comb? I'm combing it out, and I'm packing a very generous amount of gel, like very plenty. It is much more, it looks a little bit messy, but don't worry, by the time I'm going to clean up everything. So I'm moving to this side, and since this side is a little bit more than this other side, so I'm going to section it. I'm going So this is it, I'm done. I slicked everything back. So This place is hitting on me, but we're going to see how it's going to turn out. So I'm just going to scarf my hair down. Okay, so this is the next day. Like I just decided to like scarf it down to the next day. So this is the second day. So I just went to change quickly. I've worn the lashes, and yeah, I'm trying to recreate a look, and this is the look I'm trying to recreate. I don't know if you can see it, like just see it. I'll put a picture up there, but I'm trying to recreate the look. So time to unveil the hair. I really hope it came out well. Fingers crossed. So this is the final look. Yeah, my hair is not as I expected it, but we'll make do with what we have. What do you guys think?